Welcome back to the last school, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about loops. So what are loops? Well, loops execute a block of code to a specific number of times while the specific condition is true. So in other words, if the code is going over and over again, like say for example, let's create example right here. Let's add a variable. So we're gonna say I equals 1, and then we're gonna say while, this is one of the conditions, while variable I is less than or equal to 5. This is the condition we're trying to check. So we're trying to check this, and then while that happens, we want to say do this. We want to execute the code. So for example, if this is true, if I is 1, then this is gonna run. If I is 2, this is gonna run again. If I is 3, this is gonna run. If it's 4, it's gonna run. If it's 5, it's gonna run. If it's 6, it's not gonna run, because we're telling it if I, which is 1, is less than or equal to 5, run this code. While it's under 5 or equal to 5, run this code. So inside here, what you guys want to do is you guys want to echo the number is then we have to add some break tags, and then we're gonna say I plus plus, which means add, every time you run this code, add another number to it. So if we save this and we run this, it's gonna say the number is 1, then the number is 2, and so on. Watch. The number is 1, the number is 2, the number is 3, the number is 4, the number is 5. So what if we add 2? It's basically just gonna say the number is 1 and the number is 2. The number is 1, the number is 2. And the reason why is because we're telling it right here. We're saying if the number 1 is equal or less than 2, I want you to run this code and then add 1 to it. So when this happens, it's just gonna add 1, and it's gonna, this number 1 is gonna be turned into 2, and then it's gonna run this, and then this is gonna do another thing, which is add a 1, and this is gonna be 3, and then it's gonna try to run, but then it's gonna say whoa, 3 is not less or equal to 2, so I stop here, my job is done. So that's what a while loop is. It loops through a block of code while a specific condition is true. So it's just checking if this is true. If this is true, it's gonna do it over again. If this is false, it's gonna stop. It's not gonna do it anymore. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, or subscribe.